Hey there, and welcome back to AI on the Fly. My name is Ryan Kelly, and I'm your host. And today I'm going to be answering a really cool question I was recently asked. How is user intent or user search changing online? In other words, how is people's behavior changing in the way they look for stuff online? So it's really interesting. For decades, it was how few keystrokes or how few thumb presses can we get away with asking a question to get the best possible results so that we can make our own informed decision. In fact, people used to type in things like furnace repair near me because it was like that's as few keystrokes as possible to get the answer I desire, or at least the content to search for the answer I desire. Those days are changing. Those days are gone. Now it's things like who offers furnace repair in Sonoma County, California, is within 10 miles of this specific address and has at least a 4-star rating on Yelp or Google, right? Suddenly people aren't just searching for the fewest keystrokes to get an answer as possible. They're using semantic speech. They're using if, ands, thus, ors, buts. They're actually talking to their phone and they're typing in their computer like it's their friend. So it's really interesting. People used to target long tail key phrases as part of their search engine optimization campaigns back in the day, but it was always like a subset of the real SEO campaign. But the reality, the fact is, long tail key phrases are simply called prompt phrases now. Let that sink in. What is a prompt phrase? A prompt phrase is a question. It is more than 3 or 4 words where people are being specific with their interest, their inquiry, a topic. So the question then becomes, well, if search online and the behavior of search online is changing away from things like furnace repair near me to things like who does furnace repair near me within a 5-mile radius of this address, cares about this philanthropic nonprofit that I care about, and has this rating on Yelp. Suddenly, you have to ask yourself, what am I doing to target those prompt phrases? And how am I adapting my content marketing, my messaging, and all of those things? And even one step further, how do I figure out what people are talking about? How do I figure out what their topics are? How do I figure out what topics to write about or what questions to answer? Well, stay tuned and watch more of my AI on the fly videos, because those are the kinds of questions that I'm answering. But I hope that clarifies and shines a little bit of a light on how online search is changing. So if you like the video, please like it, please subscribe and follow me. Otherwise, until next time, buckle up.